So, there's been a lot of questions about this bike. And of course there's a train going by in the background, so you guys probably can't hear me. What's up, guys? I'm gonna try to clear up some questions we've been having on this here YZ250. Just gonna do a quick walk around for you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I've had, just like I said, tons and tons of questions. This girl right here has been getting tons of calls and emails. And I'm just gonna try to answer them in the video. A lot of guys are asking, how does the rear end work? How do you guys get the wide tire on there? More or less, how do you do any of it? So you guys can see it in this video, and hopefully I can clarify some of that for you. Everything's custom made in-house, from billet triples to custom widened swing arm with the, of course, the jack shaft to get the tire to clear. But let's get into the video. It'll be a lot easier to explain it once you guys can see a close-up view. Welcome back.
Welcome back. Alex left.
So we're gonna take this thing out in the dirt soon. I'm just having fun messing with the jetting. I just want to show you guys like how much this thing absolutely rips with the right gearing. And it's hard to show that in dirt because you're going to spin no matter what, but I have so much traction right now and the bike is literally spinning on pavement. I'm just going to putt around here and get a couple clips. So, there's been a lot of questions about this bike. And of course there's a train going by in the background, so you guys probably can't hear me. You're gonna have that in the Arizona jobs. So, this thing started out as an 03 YZ250. This was Drew's bike, which also originally was a marketplace find. And honestly, the thing was pretty damn beat up. So, as you guys see on all of our builds, we tore this thing completely down to the frame and just started from a brand new frame powder coat job all the way up. So more or less, we make big wheel kits for the YZ250 now. If you guys are interested in ordering that, you can go right to bbcoffroad.com. You can also go to bbcbigwheels.com. And babe, what's the phone number?
520-372-7560.
Cool. Just to answer a couple questions, guys, we've had so many questions we can't even honestly answer all the emails. It's pretty crazy. If you are serious and you do want to order one of these, give us a call, go to our website. But I'll try my best to go over the bike in this video. So guys, first things first, you're gonna take this front end. We're gonna widen this thing out with custom billet triple clamps. This stuff's all CNC machined in-house in the USA. If you haven't seen our shop tour, check it out. So anyway, we widen the front end out. We got a custom billet front hub. Our kit also comes with an axle and of course all the spacers. Now we have a rotor adapter that takes the YZ brake and literally makes it work on our hub. And this is literally the same thing as our trike front end. We're just running a 12x5 front wheel with a 25-inch front tire. You work your way this way, starts at the motor, goes to the jack shaft. You guys can see we have the jack shaft setup that takes this chain, kicks it over to this chain. That allows us to get some clearance on the tire right here. And you can see how tight everything is. We make this literally as skinny as possible so it will still fit the fattest tire that we can get on there. And that's a 25 10-12 back tire. I apologize guys, the bike's a little dirty. Yeah, if you walk around the back, kind of show them the clearance we're slightly working with. So we kick the spacer over a little bit on this exhaust. That kicks the exhaust can over, so we got some clearance on the sidewall. Got the billet hub right here. Now we have a 2-piece hub that goes to a rotor adapter, and of course we have our sprocket adapter on the other side. We got a little dune flag mount right here that's not powder coated yet. Yeah guys, you can see our swing arm right here. And this is the first prototype one for the YZ250. We have a handful of orders going for these right now. Got some folding pegs, a little bit wider than stock. Another question we get a lot of, do you guys sell just the jack shaft? Yes, we do. This guy right here, right on bbcoffroad.com. That'll get you a link right to bbcbigwheels.com. And I'm actually gonna start doing builder's parts. So if you guys wanted to buy, let's say just the rear hub or just the jack shaft or maybe an axle, and you guys want to build your swing arm, I guess using some of my parts, we can do that. That's not a problem. A lot of handy guys out there that can fabricate just like I can, and it's always fun doing it yourself. That's honestly how I started my whole company. So yeah, head over to the website if you're interested in those parts. They're on there. And if there's something else you need, just hit us up. We'll even be selling like the chain slider, again, jack shaft with the adjusters and the billet rear hub assembly. We've already got the front hubs for sale on our website too. And we're now making wheels in-house, so that stuff's gonna be on there too. We're just trying to make this easier for you guys. There's a lot of guys that wanna do big wheel projects, and we're just trying to simplify things for you guys. And we appreciate your support. Appreciate you guys watching all these videos. And give this video a thumbs up if you learned something. If you like it, please like the video, comment below. We're doing giveaways weekly. And yeah, just keep the comments coming. We appreciate it, guys. Tons of orders going for these. We have a pre-order list we're building right now. If you're interested in this, we have some discounts going just for the pre-order on this bike. So we're gonna be covering 2002 up to basically 2022. And that's all the YZ250s. So tell us the year, we'll build you the bike, and basically go from there. And if you're crazy like me and you wanna put a thumb throttle on a dirt bike, I got thumb throttle kits available for all the YZ250s right now. I think it's freaking awesome. I'm gonna start it up. You guys can watch me smash that throttle. There's just something about a thumb throttle on a big wheel.